ના છોકરા બી જાય એટલે આદિ હે હોક કેન યુ વોચ હિયર ઓ આ તો આદિ છે હોક હતો મને તો લાગતું હતું યસ હિયર ઇઝ હોક નાઉ હોક હોક ને જેવું તોફાન કરતો આમ તોડી નાખ બધું એવું કરતો આમ જમીન તોડી નાખે છે એવું યસ આઈ એમ હોક You are Bruce Banner? Oh. Dr. Bruce Banner, yes. How are you, Hawk?
I'm good.
Yeah, today is your birthday.
4.
You gonna be 4-year-old?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Hawk.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Hawk.
You're welcome.
આયો હોક આયો છે આયો Hi Francis.
Hello, hi Pranav.
Celestine. Hi.
Thank you.
You like it?
Thank you.
Here you go.
Hello?
Hadi. ધીમે ધીમે મમ્મી ને આપે બેટા ઓ નો 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 નો
બીજા કોઈ કહે કે આ મૂકીને 50 ની બીજી આપો બીજું નથી બધા
Hadi. Hadi. હા એટલે એ કેમેરો છે ને સીધો ટીવી માં દેખાય એ ત્યાં રમે ને સીધું ત્યાં દેખાય યાર ત્યાં
Thanks for joining us for your birthday party here at Chuck E. Cheese's. And now, please give a warm welcome to your party hosts, Justin and Ellie.
We're gonna chat for Chuck E. Cheese to come out, okay? Alright, ready? Chuck E. Cheese! Chuck E.
cheese Chuck E. cheese Chuck E. cheese Chuck E. cheese
Oh my gosh, we're gonna do a drum roll on the table. Can you help me? We're gonna do a drum roll.
Oh no Luchika Hey
Happy birthday! Good to see you, everybody.
Are you ready to party?
It's okay
Hey there, kids. Welcome to my place. So glad you decided to come and celebrate your very special birthday with me. And you brought all your friends and family, too. Very cool. As a matter of fact, let's just take a second to thank the grown-ups who brought you to my place to celebrate your birthday with. Can we stand to our feet and show them some gratitude? Come on, everybody.
Give me an adult round of applause.
And now, a round of applause. A round of applause.
Adi Abbe everybody kawan je
All right, let's move on with the business at hand. Everyone take a seat unless you're a birthday star. Since you are a very special guest today, the cast and I would like to treat you as royalty. Do we have the crowns?
Yeah
Well, what are we waiting for then? Let's strike up the band and
Can we get a round
start
of
the Happy birthday myself.
Anyone want a picture with Chuck? Do a picture with Chuck?
Yeah, it's always for it.
એનો હાથ લૂછે આપણે એને જવું જ છે
Wow, Dustin, it's so good to see Chucky getting in there, shaking hands, giving high fives, and wishing birthday wishes. It's so personable. He certainly is, Kelly. You know, not only is he so nice, but he is great at throwing terrific birthday parties. Oh, check this out. If I'm not mistaken, he did that to get things going in here.
All right, everybody. We're going to have some fun here before we get to lighting candles, making wishes and such. Are you ready to get loud?
Yeah
I said, are you ready to get
Louder!
Yeah
You can do better than that. That's more like it. Now we're going to have a little competition. I'm going to draw an invisible line right here to make two teams, okay? If you're over
That's
here on
you
my
guys.
right, you're going to shout,
Happy.
And then clap your hands over your head like this. Let's try that. When I point to you, you say happy and...
Happy. All right, guys, this is a
Now, for
competition.
you folks over here on my left, you'll shout
Birthday.
and clap your hands when I point to you. Ready?
All right, so that's going to be really
Francis,
fun to win, all
you can
right?
took the picture.
You can stand up and be...
Doing drama this camera, I don't know.
Okay? Here we go.
No, you can take on that one. Birthday! Happy! 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 Yay!
Oh, terrific job, everybody. You're all awesome. Now it's time for some birthday star wishes. You may want to have those cameras ready. All right, you party hosts, help me out here, and let's get those candles lit. Now be careful, you don't want to burn yourself there. You kids ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready to make a birthday wish?
No, wait.
We're going to sing happy birthday to you, and then you can blow out your candles. Okay, you birthday stars, this is for you. Let's all sing it nice and loud.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Adi. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, if you're a birthday star, I want you to do your face.
Hook मार दे, hook मार
I
दे.
need to send birthday cake. I need you to stand up
जोर
where
दे.
you are so we can all...
Yes!
How about that? Now your party has
ऊपर ऊपर कर दे.
something special for you. This is your official...
Here you go.
Birthday star medallion. Yeah, wear it with pride. These are just for our special birthday stars. And thanks for celebrating your birthday here at Chuck E. Cheese's. You rock! Let's award those medallions.
Woo! Yay!
Awesome. You guys want to come up and dance?
આવે છે?
Rocky and Keith?
રાખો થઈ જાય ને ખબર ને ગુંડી કી કરતી સેટિંગ કા બદલાઈ ગયું લાગે આ કેવા લાગે
Your hands. Now stop the beat.
You're a birthday star at Chuck E. Cheese. You're a special guest. We all make the feast. You're a big time big stuff going far. This is you, our birthday star. You're a birthday star at Chuck E. Cheese. You're a special guest. We all aim to please. You're a big time big stuff going far. This is you, our birthday star.
We say happy, you say birthday. Happy.
birthday
Happy.
birthday
Happy birthday from Chucky. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Yeah! That was awesome. You guys are great. Thanks a lot and happy birthday.
What a great birthday party. Looks like it's time to eat some cake. You know it. And it looks like Chucky might be hanging out with some photos and some high fives just for a bit. Looks like you all will have some serious fun. It's time for us to leave it as a table over here. And you want a picture with all the kids in celebrating?
Yeah, please.
Sure. Everyone, help us cut the cake together with Chucky, okay?
जाओ go everybody go take a picture with us you don't want a picture you big boy now it's okay Francis take the picture and send it to me
Look here. Just turn it up. Rachel. Bye.
There's only one way we're going to defeat that creature out there. By doing science. Science! Doing science! Doing science! Doing science! Making things doing science! Doing science! Doing science! Making things down! Chemicals and
thank you
It might be a little hard to handle.